Interesting moves in currencies ahead of this non-farm payroll report. Why are we seeing the US dollar break lower? I mean, the Australian dollar is sitting pretty much at 4-week highs.
Well, that's right. Very good to be here. I think what we're watching with the dollar is a kind of sense that the market is still hoping that we're not going to get the kind of taper signal that we seem to be actually leading into from the Fed. So we've heard them say that we might begin this year. That was, of course, the message from Jay Powell at Jackson Hole, but also that there are risks. And needless to say, the markets have read those comments as essentially hedging the Fed's bet. So I think this is going to be a very interesting payrolls number. It'll really set the stage for which way we're going to go. And the dollar is at very pivotal points across a range of major counterparts, the Aussie, of course, included.
Now, talk to us then about some of where it is sitting against some of those major counterparts, Ilya.
So let's start with the euro. That's the first chart that I have for you here. And you can see, as with most of the dollar majors, we've seen a bit of a pull up in euro USD, and it's at that critical moment where we're testing the previous swing high. So the swing high before the preceding decline that we've just erased. Now, in the most basic form of technical analysis, a downtrend is defined by a series of lower highs and lower lows. So to test this high and to then break that high, if that occurs, would inherently violate what a down move is by definition and change the bias. So whatever assortment of technical tools one uses, that of course is a very telltale signal if it is to occur. That resistance now right around 119, if we can take that out, we're heading into the 1980, 120 area, it looks like, and 121 is after that. If we were to get a payrolls number that encouraged Fed tapering speculation, the key support I'm looking at is 1770. Taking that out on a daily closing basis would suggest that the down move is back in force. Sellers are again moving this market, and then we're heading lower into the 1660 and then the 1600 figure from there.